Hi everybody. At first we are going to getfullgames.com to download the installer. We've added the link in movie description. Then click download button and wait a while. When download finished, open installer and follow my steps. Click next. We have to activate the license terms and then we are clicking next. Now you need to choose where you want to download and install game. Then click download and install. You will see window and you will need to download and enter your own license key to activate the game. One person, one key. I've downloaded my code earlier. As you can see, code works. Now you can download game, install and play.